Hi there, I'm Jules from Stone Soup. Welcome to my blue kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick steak with herb and chili oil. So I've got a pan heating up on a high heat for my steaks. So we're just going to prep my steak. I'm actually just going to cook one. So it's quite thick, so I'm going to just bash it out a bit, and this helps it cook more quickly, and it also tenderizes it. And you can bash it out even more than that, so the thinner it is, the quicker it'll cook. So then I'm going to just oil the meat, and I always oil the meat rather than oiling the pan, because you only want the bit of the surface of the meat that's in contact with the pan to have some oil in it. And I'm also going to salt, so just a good sprinkle of salt on each. And then pan's looking nice and hot, so we're going to get the steak in, and about 3 minutes each side. So while my steak's cooking, I'm just going to make my chili oil. So I've got half a cup of my best extra virgin olive oil, and then I've got 2 small red chilies. I'm just going to chop in half lengthwise, and then finely chop. I'm leaving the seeds in because I like to live dangerously. So chili can go in. If you wanted to, you could put a little bit of garlic in, but I'm just keeping it simple today. And then I've got a bunch of coriander or cilantro, so I'm just going to chop off the coarse stems and then finely chop the whole thing. And if you didn't want to chop, you could just use a stick blender or pop it in the food processor, but this saves washing up and makes it nice and quick, and you can actually get your herb oil done while the steak's cooking. So coriander goes in, and then I'm just going to finish it with a couple of tablespoons of lemon juice, keeping the seeds out. 1, 2, and then I'm just going to give it a stir. And so it's going to be nice and chunky. Of course, if you want a finer oil, you can just chop the coriander more finely. And I'll finish it up with a little bit of salt. And then when the steak's done, we're good to serve. So the steak's had 3 minutes on the first side. Just going to turn, looking lovely and charred, and give it another 3 minutes on the second side. So when the steak's cooked, you can feel it. I'm just going to serve up. So I'm going to pop it onto my plate, get the pan off the heat. It's got some lovely colour there. And then I'm just going to drizzle my herb oil, and I'll save half for later. So the herb oil was for 2 steaks, and then just finish with some baby spinach leaves, and you're good to go. So if you enjoyed this recipe, head on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and if you sign up for email updates, I'll send you a free ebook filled with simple weeknight dinner ideas just like this one.